YouTube, it's your boy Rock Tactical. Today I'm doing my Gen 5 Glock Collection video. Now, before we get into the Gen 5 Glock Collection video, I am getting rid of these three uppers: 5-inch 5-inch 7.62, 300 blackout, 5.56. All come with everything you see out here. I got new builds, so I'm getting rid of them. Hit me up on IG. It's gonna be on the bottom right. Now, today I'm doing the Gen 5 Glock video. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna do this little quick and fast. All right, y'all should already know the first Glock. We got the 43X. Had it for like a year or two. First gun that ever made me go viral on YouTube. First gun that ever made me go viral on YouTube. This 43X. Gun clear. No magazine loaded. First gun made me go viral. Wear and tear because I actually use guns. And sometimes I be carrying it because you never know. Like, imagine I spank somebody, you feel me? You get straight spank-a-dang with this stuff. But first gun I ever went viral with, the glitter Glock. I call it the Glizzo. That was my first Glock. This is all Gen 5s, by the way. I got some Gen 4s, some Gen 3s. I ain't gonna show them. This is Gen 5 collection. If you got any questions, hit me up on Instagram at @fullytoter. It's gonna be on the bottom right. So yeah, that's the 43X Gen 5. Now, the next Gen 5. I'm gonna go with another slightly new gun. 23X. Y'all probably like 23X. Yeah, I made this myself. All I did was put a top on the bottom. Boom, 23X. Here's the Glock 23X. It's clear. Nothing up top. I'll tell you, Glock 23X. Function's good. Everybody be coming, do it function, bro. Well, I never see you shooting it, gang. 23 and 19 frames, literally made out of the same thing, same size, same everything. Literally, put it on there, shot like no tomorrow. Simple as that. Glad I dropped the unloaded gun, but here it is. 23 Gen 5 40 on the Glock 19X bottom. Now I'm gonna show y'all why I got this on here, because I got my 19. I know y'all probably like, what a 19X slot? Don't worry, you will see it. But yeah, it's that 23 Gen 5 40. I love this gun. I carry this motherfucker a lot too, as you can tell. Tape fuck. I carry this motherfucker a lot. On to the next. Well, bam. So next we gonna go 80s Day Edition, Glock 19 Gen 5. 80s Day with the old sight X on there. Gun's clear, mag well empty. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite guns. I love guns with slide cuts. Like, I grew up on Call of Duty, man. I like the Call of Duty guns. Alright. I don't even say I love the Call of Duty guns. And it's got the slide cuts. So you can go ported barrel. You got a different type of texture right here. Then right here, there's two different types of texture. Then this different type of texture. This is a nice built gun. Dot sighted in. Oh yeah, this is the Glock 19 80s Day Edition. Another one of my favorites. Don't carry this a lot though, just because it's too bright. Too much. It's just this a content gun. Looks very nice. Red dots. I don't really carry the red dots like that. I'm more of an iron sight type of guy, but I am accurate with the dots. So I don't know. Someday I just grab it like I want to put on Gucci today. Feel like if I'm crispy, if I put that shit on, I'm carrying this. I'm carrying this or one more gun. But yeah. Glock 19 Gen 5, 80s Day Edition. custom Glock. I did not send this anywhere. I bought it like this. Yeah. On to the next. Boom. We got my favorite Gen 5 in my collection. That 19X. Let me show y'all this clear. See that? See, I can see my carpet? It's clear. Man. This is one of my most favorite guns. I can't lie. This is one of my most favorite guns. I carry this gun every day. Every day. I carry it a lot. I rotate between this and the 23X. But this is the go-to right now. What I'm rocking. Nomad Defense 9X. Gen 5 frame. The flat facing trigger. 1 pound. I'll show y'all the break on that real quick. Hey. Show you guys a little bit. No, so. I've learned this gun to perfection. Or bang. Release, bang. So I really figured the gun out, but yeah, got that nice flat facing trigger on there. So this is an OEM Gen 5 slide. I think I'm lying. You see the barrel says 5. This just is not one of the Gen 5 with the slide serrations on the front. Cool. 19X Gen 5. One of my most favorite guns. Got the flare mag well. Love this. Whew. And I just like the feel. Y'all know I got big hands. I got the M4 crossbow on there. Flashlight. All I use for is the light. Show you how long the battery got. Boom. It's the Warrior Land crossbow. But yeah, I like this. I like the grip texture on here. It's like a FN. Like FN 509 Tactical, because it got 3 different textures. Texture right there, and that texture is different than that texture, as you can see. So yeah, that's that. Ooh. It's the top contender for my favorite gun. It's for sure top contender. That looks so badass. Texture around everywhere, flat facing trigger. So yeah. I love the stock night, glow-in-the-dark night sights for 19X. I actually do that for all Glocks, but that's for another video, so there's that. Now let's get to my last Gen 5. So we can call it a day. Now my last Gen 5, also my newest Gen 5. Clear, okay, clear. Newest Gen 5. Badass, boy, I tell you, badass. This is the 80s night edition. Now, you know at the beginning I showed you the 80s day edition. This is the 80s night edition, and god damn. Just look at the details. Ooh. Look at the details on that motherfucker. Again, it got the regular Glock grip. This like a little, they freaked it with the little grip tape, but this is nice. I carry this sometimes. I carry it more than other ones. It's like third in the rotation just because it's dark skin. I'm dark skin. But man, it's the exact same Glock, just a different pattern, different color. It's the 80s night edition. Come RMR cut ready. Come already slide cuts ready if you want to put a ported barrel in there. Only thing I really got to do is put a FRT in here. And we good to go, but yeah, this is my Gen 5 collection video. Yeah. That's all she wrote, folks. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still doing the giveaway when I get to 90K. If you want any of them uppers, hit me up on IG. It's gonna be on the screen. This is all my Gen 5s for right now. I guess I'll do a Gen 4 and a Gen 3 collection too, coming soon. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rock Tactical.